Missile Cobra Divina has rolled into the hideout.
Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 Hello. Hi. 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 Hello. Um, hello. Let's see. Mouse and Pepsi and Mess. Welcome in, Mess. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow. Hi. Hello, everyone. Hi. I'm a little hyper. I'm a little pumped. This song is not supposed to be playing right now. Hang on. Wait. Where's the song I wanted? I'll just play this one again. We'll have this looped. We'll have this looped. Um, chat. Chat, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to prison break? Are you ready to break out of a prison tonight? Because I'm pretty ready. I'm ready for a very chill, low-key prison break. Yeah. 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 I'm so ready. I'm so ready. I've been wanting to play this. Excuse me. I've been wanting to play Lunacid all day, and I'm finally home, and we're gonna play it. We're gonna play it. I'm on a little bit earlier than I normally am, so it might take a minute for people to filter in, but that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. You're checking in. You're sleepy. You're sleepy. Aw. Aw. It's like, God, what time is it over there? I I really need a bunch of clocks that have different time zones over my over my desk. I really need that. I yeah, I need
You
that.
didn't even try these mushrooms yet. Oh my god, fuck yeah, you crazy bitch. You are so fun.
Oh my okay, um uh would you kindly would you
Idler
kind
underscore trash can has rolled into the hideout.
Oh my god. Hi, Kanan. Hi. Hello. Welcome, Raiders. Hi. I'm Cassidy, the psychic refugee, and I'm your chill Y2K delinquent. Hello. Welcome in. Oh my god. Kanan, what were you playing? I'm just kidding. I was just in there. I was just in there. Hi, everyone. Hi. Oh my god. Welcome. Here, let me give you a shout. Let me give you a shout out. Let me give you a shout out. There you go. There you go. Uh, hi. Hello. 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 Sorry, I'm a
Corbin
little
has
hyper
rolled
right
into the
now. I'm a
hideout.
tiny bit hyper. I'm a tiny bit hyper. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Hi, Fudon. Hi, Daz. Hi, Buppy. Uh, hi, Claude. Hi, Lowlight. Hi, Classified, Anubis, Weathermare, Corbinian, PL Keeper,
Jim Luck has rolled into the
1DK, Tony
hideout.
Salads, Buppy, Ghosty, Classified again, Schizobones. Hi, hello. Welcome in. Welcome in. Whew. I did that in one breath. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me? Um yeah. A fellow Dread Delusion enjoyer. Dread Delusion was amazing. I want to play it again, but I have to wait. I have to wait before I do that. Um but it was amazing. It was so amazing. It's one of my personal favorites. And my mouth tracking's a little goofy tonight, but that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Luigi? Yeah, Luigi. Yeah. 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 Yeah, you know. It yeah, it felt right. It felt right. It felt right. Hi, but yeah, hi, hello. How is everyone? How is everyone doing tonight? I'm very excited. I'm very excited. If Yeah, I'm playing Lunacide tonight. I'm playing Lunacide. It's gonna be episode 5. we just discovered a new area where we get to break out of a prison and
Simba
oh,
has rolled into the hideout.
thanks for the follow. Welcome to the hideout. Thank you, thank you. Um, I guess I could give you guys a little catch up. Yeah, last episode we found a castle and it turned out to be inhabited by vampires. And we found a knight who he reminded me of the knight from Knight's Try. I had to do a double take on that. But yeah, we became his squire. He didn't outright say, "Hey, you should be my squire," but like I kind of just volunteered. Um and now he can't get rid of me. Yeah. That's the way whoops, that's the way it goes, really. That's normally the way it goes. I volunteer and then they can't get rid of me. Lunacid is also very poggy. Yeah. It did get brutal in the second episode.
Jake
Oh,
Springer 629 has rolled into the hideout.
thanks for the follow. Welcome to the hideout. It did get pretty brutal in episode 2 because I was lost in these catacombs and there was ghost horses and I was getting jumped. Claude was there. It was not fun. Claude could attest to that. But yeah. We could jump into it. It's loading right now. It's loading right now. There we go. There we go. The horses, yeah. The horses. What was their deal? What was their deal? They acted like I was the one who chopped off their heads. These were ghost horses, by the way. Yeah. These were ghost horses. And they hit really hard. I think I discovered that area before I was supposed to, because I was very underleveled, I think. It felt that way. It definitely felt that way. Um, ooh, it's loaded. Okay. Okay. Let's wait, wait a sec. Let me get my headphones off. Hmm. Okay, let's get in. Let's go over here. And then, yeah. Also, I need to double check my audio for this. The audio likes to not work randomly sometimes. It's kind of bad like that. Hang on. Let me see. Lunacid. Oh, it's working tonight. It's working tonight. Can you guys hear it okay? Can you guys hear it okay? Woo, we're back. Yeah. So, we've been having some really like such like really good runs in Lunacide the last few nights. I found this staff. It makes a funny noise. I found this sword. I found an elven sword. Oh, let me show you my pet snail. I have a pet snail. That's good staff sound. Yeah. Wait. Oh, I also found a sword that's very enchanted and it fights along with me. It belonged to a knight, and right before he died, he transferred his soul into the sword so he could fight on, and he joined us, and he's our buddy. I have to dismiss him really quick because he drains my mana when he's out, so I have to use him sparingly. Let me summon my snail. There he is. There's a little guy. Bonk. Bonk. Don't worry, I'm not hurting him. This is just how we play. Bonk. Bonk. Okay, that's enough. I want to, yeah. But yeah, in the last episode, we came across a vampire castle. And we ended up fighting the vampire prince. It was really fun. It was really fun. I had the sword and I had my fairy companion, who we might meet later in this episode. But yeah. We met the knight outside the castle, and basically he didn't know how to get in because he couldn't get in. He didn't know any magic. Have I found any VHSs? I have not. I have not. It's very confounding. I know they're out there. They're on the starting screen, so I figure, right, they would be out there. But I haven't found any yet. I'm honestly surprised I found the staff. But yeah, we figured out how to get into the castle. We let the knight in. We encountered him throughout the castle run. He faced off against the vampire king, prince. And then we got to fight the prince. And then he went on ahead. And yeah. We basically found this prison underneath the castle. Or connected to the castle. It's not clear, really. Yeah. Oh, and my character's name is Asher. They're Omega hidden, so I'd be shocked if you find any without a guide. I would probably need a guide, yeah. Snail friend? Yeah, yes, yeah. It's locked. But yeah, we've been just having some chill, vibey, Lunacid nights. And then daytimes are just... What the hell is that? And then daytimes are just, Dead by Daylight. Lately. Because Ken Kaneki just joined Dead by Daylight. And he's actually a really fun killer, but yeah. Okay. Wow, this guy has aura. I can practically see it. Oh, okay. No effect. Okay, he has bleed damage. He does bleed damage. But he's not too strong. We're probably gonna run into more of those. Hi, Exorb. Hi. Hello, welcome in. Those of the abyss take the form of the dreamer's fear. For in ages past, they were as animals, or the extinct. But with time, fear changes. Gradually, the creatures became more abhorrent, more strange, designs forgotten in favor of the abstract and howling flesh we cannot simply observe. Sounds like a Picasso painting, kinda. How's my comic haul? It was great. It was great. I only went $20 over budget. I'm very proud of myself on that. Oh, what's that? What is that? Wait. No, it's not a hidden wall. There's something coming down this wall. What pushed the budget? I wanted a cocktail. That's what pushed my budget. It was held at Permanent Damage Roadhouse. It was held at the Roadhouse, which is like, it's a bar / record store, and it's inspired by the Roadhouse of Twin Peaks. Is that an angel? Yeah. Yeah. I got a spicy mezcal margarita. I've been really into spicy drinks lately. Okay, these are all locked. I'm guessing we have to jump down. Ouch. Alright, let me reassess. My staff doesn't do any damage to whatever the hell that thing was. So let's see. Actually, I could keep it. It's a good light source. It's a good light source. And whatever that was does bleed damage, so let me do that so I can heal on the spot. Summon Ice Sword. No, mouse, no. I will play Andy and Lele, but that's later. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I have bandages. Yeah, okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, hi. Hello. These guys look like they come from, like, Courage the Cowardly Dog or something. Let me do a bandage, so I can stop any bleed damage. Okay. Huh. Wait. Oh, no, it's locked. There has to be a key somewhere, right? Oh, wow. And there's another one. Oh wait, my staff does do damage. Ouch. Oh, it does damage to a certain point. Okay. I was confused for a sec. It's a good thing I can range them. I don't want to get overwhelmed in case there's more than one. No. There we go. Ooh, okay. And what's down here? Lower prison arena entrance. I'll check that after I open up some cells. Chat, it's the knight I was telling you about. It's the knight. Hey, hi. Hey, Sir Knight. Oh, Glory Asher. Those masked guards thought I was some mere prisoner. And before I knew it, I must have passed out from blood loss. I woke up trapped in here, and worst of all, my hammer is missing. You should meet me back here, should you find it. Yeah. Your puppy squire is on the case.
Anubisco just shared 100 bits. Off to bed with me. Have a good stream, Cass.
Oh, good night. Good night. Good night. Have a great night. Have a great night. Thank you for 100. You take care. Well met. I'll go searching too, now that this cell is open. Alright. How big of a hammer are we talking about? It's just as big as him. It's just as big as him. Let's see what else is in here. A bandage, okay. It's just a bunch of blood weed in here. Yeah, I don't need that. I don't need any of that. Oh, also, last episode, we finally did alchemy. Alchemy in this game takes, like, it takes time to acquire the ingredients you actually need. Like, 4 episodes in, and I barely did alchemy. Oh, wow, okay. That was rude. Nothing. Okay, let's go downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Oh, coffins. Remember when I was, I think it was episode 3 where I was just spamming coffins all over the place? That was... What was I thinking? Okay. That spell is so funny. It's a good way to climb, yeah. I figured out a complementary spell also to my coffin spell. Let's see. Is this one? And where's my coffin? Hang on. Coffin? Okay. And let me summon a coffin. Right. Let me put some of my blood on this. Let me use some blood magic. I use my blood magic to give life to this inanimate object, but it can't really comprehend life, so it's just kind of screaming. There, I'll put it out of its misery. Let's see. Let me... Okay, there we go. Honestly based, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. What the hell is that? Oh, it noticed me. Okay. Sword. Oh, it's strong. Hey, sword, can you get in there and actually fight? What am I paying you for? Oh, it drains mana. That's fun. That's really cool. Oh my god, ouch. It's really strong. It summons coffins also. Wait, okay. Alright. Well, that's all my mana. It's really strong. It is really strong. Hang on. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Okay. Wow, okay. Ooh, wow. It summoned these things. What are these? Infested corpse? Danger? Yeah, danger. Ew, this place is littered with them. Ooh, something's up ahead. Something... What is this? A fishing spear! Definitely not going to use it, but let's see what it looks like. Let's see, fishing spear. A long-spiked harpoon from before the ages of magic, used by militia to fight huge primordial fog beasts, and designed to be either held like a spear or thrown like a javelin. Let's see. Type can be switched by pressing block. Scales with dexterity? Oh. 59 damage is actually not bad. Hang on. That's actually stronger than what I have right now. I don't think we have a fishing minigame. We're just gonna use it as a weapon. Oh my god, that's so cool. It's a melee and range weapon. Oh, what's this? Spear in hand, I am to die. Not from defeat I lie to myself, but from a longing for an end to this eternal war. Aw. Okay, let's test it. Let's test it. Oh wow, that's a lot. Okay. secret door. Holy water. What am I to do? Though I tear and maim, the creatures of the abyss are always growing. I no longer recognize myself or my foes as we once were. We probably shouldn't spend too much time down here. It's like zigzags. Yeah. Here, let me get back some mana. Let's see. In case we get into any big trouble, we do have 2 emergency shards to get out of here. We got 5 potions left. We should be okay. I just noticed it's a full moon tonight. This game keeps track of the moon cycles. I don't know if it's like moon cycles based on just solely in the game, or if it's based on IRL moon cycles. But apparently, in the game at least, it's a full moon. And you have to fight another one of these. It's IRL? Oh my god, it's so cool. I really like that. Mugu! Oh my god, Mugu, hi, hi, hi. How are you? How are you? I need a shout out. I need a shout out for Mugu. What a creature, yeah. Yeah, there's some serious creatures down here. Oh my god, I think all my mods are just not here tonight. Hang on. Hang on. There you go. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Hi, how are you? How are you doing tonight? I saw you added me to a list on Twitter, and that was really funny. I'm not going to say the title of that list, just that I'm very flattered. Okay, so... But yeah, shout out to Muyu, really adorable boy, really chill. Okay, I knew it, I knew it. I knew we would come full circle up these steps, and now we can unlock the cells on the top floor. Let me just save. Can I destroy the rubble? No, I can't. There's a lance right back here, but I can't get to it yet. Good, just ate dinner, but still kind of hungry. Damn, I hate when that happens. I'm in your basement? Oh my, what is it with people wanting to put me in their basement? Is there fall damage? Oh yeah, it's a very punishing fall damage. It's a very punishing fall damage. Okay. I'll check this one out after I open the rest of these. Oh, hi. Nice doggies. Nice puppies. Hey, hey. Come on, play nice. Play nice. Okay. else is in here? Nothing there. Muyu, what did he have to eat? Oh, damn it. I just had ramen for dinner. I had like a spicy tonkatsu. Why am I walking slow? Oh, it's a debuff. Okay, I was wondering. I was like, what the hell? Cauliflower and duck with rice? Ooh. Ooh. I like duck. Duck is nice. Oh god, you're alive. I thought you were like a skeleton or something. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That was so rude of me. That was so rude of me. I apologize. I apologize. What kind of ramen? I'm not gonna say in front of this guy. He looks like he hasn't eaten in quite a long time. You survived? How funny. Years wasted pushing the cart just for the family back home. And then I quit. I had enough of it and went home. They were already dead. Had been. For years. My mouth tracking is very bad tonight. I'm gonna try and fix it in a minute. I probably dropped off their corpses myself without even realizing it. You know? I didn't know why I held on down here. What I was waiting for to die. Wait, what I was waiting to die for. But I guess it was this one last laugh with an old friend. Promise me one thing. Don't stop. Don't ever stop. Not till that old beast is awoke. Bring an end to this rotten world. Well, now that he's dead, I guess I can tell you, I had some spicy tonkatsu ramen. Yeah. Yeah. Hi Alex, welcome in, welcome in. Ramen sounds yummy right now. It always sounds yummy. I killed him? What do you mean? He died on his own. I didn't do anything. Excuse you. Chat, it's an angel. I wonder if I could shoot the chain. No, I can't break it. Maybe the wooden stake in its chest. No. Huh. I'm so curious. I'm so curious. I'm gonna save before I jump down because I'm very curious.
Count_spatula1 has rolled into the hideout.
Yo, Count, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the hideout. 840? Whoa. No way. No way. Will it take you to heaven or hell? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out together. It'll probably just kill us. Oh, jeez. Okay, well, we're not dead. There's a few rats, but we're not dead. What did we find? Was it a weapon or a spell? I think it was a spell? Icaran Flight? A magic which enhances the caster's jump ability for 2 seconds. A fuddled attempt to escape the Great Well, as the caster inevitably falls back down. Nope. Wait. Okay. 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 And that could have ended very badly. That could have ended very, very badly. And sub goal met, congrats, thank you. Thank you, thank you. We got a jumpy spell. I'm very excited. I'm wondering what we can do with that. We also jumped really high to the point where we got to, like, a higher floor of the prison. Sword. Oh, wow, you are so strong. How good's my aim? Oh, that's pretty alright. Oh, no, no, excuse me, no. You shouldn't get so close to me, that's rude. Give me some distance, will you? It's kind of clunky. The spear javelin's a little clunky, but it's alright. You remember that spell? It's fun. Oh, let me put my sword away. He's draining my mana. Nope. 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 Sword. I've become so reliant on my sword. It's very strong though. I was gonna fix my mouth tracking. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Sorry, it's really bugging me. It's really bugging me. Hang on, I'm still here. Just hang on. Hang on. Some nights it's just not great. Let me see. Damn, why is it making me frown so much? Ugh. This is so annoying. Okay, hang on. This is so annoying. Okay. Damn, it's in a constant frown. Why is it doing this tonight? Oh my god. Ugh. Yeah, you think thank you. Thank you. Um Hang on. Okay, let me try one more thing to fix this. What if I did that? What if I did that? No, that's worse. That is worse. Oh my god. I'm just gonna close VTube Studio and restart it because sometimes that fixes it. Wait. Oh my god. It's so annoying. It doesn't happen often, thankfully, at least. At least. Okay, so let me just go here. Oh, okay, I fixed it. But let me put down the sensitivity just a tiny bit more. Oh my god, perfect. Okay. Okay, we're back. We're back. Hang on. Okay, sorry about that. I I looked over and I saw it and I was like, I cannot, no. That's his hammer! Oh shit. I found his hammer. Ah, he's gonna be so happy with me. Oh, let me get my headphones off. Okay. Just... I'm curious. How much damage does his hammer do? Hammer of Cruelty. 192 damage? What the fuck? An iron hammer fashioned around the compressed corpses of fallen moon beasts, cursed with the many odd incantations that bind the user to an unknown will. Does split dark and light damage? It does light and dark damage on top of 192 damage. You know, I'm sure he won't mind if we just use it, right? He won't mind if it's in the service of getting it back to him. Hi, Kuroi. Hi. Oh my god. Whoa. How are you doing, Kuroi? still slowed. No, he dropped his mask. Just finished work? Fuck yeah. Ooh. I don't know what it does, but I have to pull it. I have to. Okay. Oh, we're gonna get our first ad break of the night. So, if you're not subbed, I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Thank you for sticking around. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to the hideout. Oh, I couldn't switch to my potion in time. I couldn't switch to it. Fuck. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. I have been forced to do worse backtracking. It's okay. It's fine. Oh my god. Wow, yeah, this is bullshit. 59 damage is so little. How did I die? One of these fucking dogs killed me before I could get my potion. Alright, alright. I feel slightly underleveled. Ooh, the javelin! Oh, it's a lance. I feel slightly underleveled in here. Please be good damage. Please be good damage. Broken lance, 51 damage. A large spear with a broken tip, typically used by cavalry or knights back when foes were larger and less nimble. It has XP, which means it's broken now, but if we use it enough, we can fix it. Okay. There's probably poison in this Iron Maiden, but I'm a curious mind, so... Oh. Okay. Well, sucks for him. Free body. I don't need it. I got a perfectly good one that I'm using right now. Okay. I wonder, hang on. Oh my god, wait. Let me test this after I kill this guy. Hang on. I wonder. Would my vampire hunting sword actually do more damage against these people? Yeah, okay, okay, okay. It does. Yeah, the dog is considered undead. Alright, let's jump down here. Let me heal first. Something tells me we might need to go back to the rest area before we can fully explore this prison. It's just a hunch. Ouch. Alright, we're not gonna kill the rats this time because they almost got me. They almost got me last time, so we're not gonna touch them. Hell yeah, okay. Alright, the knight's hammer is in here somewhere. I think it was over here. Somewhere over here. Is it? What is that? Oh, damn it. Hang on. These guys hit very hard. Oh my god. Okay. Can you chill? Can you please chill? Yeah. Big doggy, potential friend? I highly doubt it. We are going through potions really fast in this dungeon. Okay. Don't be poisoned. Oh. No, okay. Okay, so... it's probably up ahead. Yeah, let me actually put my healing spell back on. There we go. It's a nice change of pace from last episode where I was cutting myself. This time I'm healing myself. That sounds so bad out of context. That sounds really bad out of context, actually. It was for blood magic. Seven mana potions. Alright. The inflation on the health potions is really, really bad. So actually having to use them is very painful. Yeah, I see. see you. No, 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 no. Ugh. Oh my god. You're more annoying than the horses. Are you Hmm. That's on me. That's on me. I wasn't paying attention to my health. You know what? I'm gonna summon the fairy. I'm gonna summon Petra once I get back to that area. Where's my speed spell? Hang on. Where's my dash? Wait. Fuck, these guys. Please just die. Oh my god, you're so fucking annoying. You're so fucking annoying. Ugh. Okay, was it this way? Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, got the broken lance. You never got the jump ring? Yeah, I always jump down when I'm not supposed to. Or when one would think they shouldn't jump down. And it's worked out for me quite often. You always thought it was death? Yeah. No, you can't be afraid of that stuff. You just gotta do it. You just gotta jump. Oh. So annoying. I thought the horses were bad. Oh, do I? Really? Do I really? Ooh, there it is. Okay, okay. Let me... Screw it. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, here we go. Jump. So cool. Oh my... Okay, that's really fun, actually. Can I take this ladder down? Okay, we're gonna save. We're gonna save really quick. Oh. We're gonna save really quick. I went the wrong way. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh, a spectral candle. Alright, we're gonna save just so I can cut down on any unfortunate potential future backtracking. Can we level, actually? Yeah, we can level. Not kosher, but he thought it was cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, I actually never look at my viewer count or who's in my room. I never look at that. At least not until after, when I look at like analytics stuff. It like my phone gives me a little stream summary. But during stream, I never really look at it. Wait. Okay, defense. Oh no. We want this one. There we go. Okay, so we're saved. And I'm gonna put my dash. And yeah, okay. So we'll jump down through here. We'll take the ladder up. And we'll be right back where we were. Yeah. Ooh, not this way. Not that way. No. Where was the angel again? Is it over here? I'm getting lost now. I'm getting turned around. I'm like pretty directionally challenged. Sometimes. It was really bad in Dread Delusion. But a good kind of bad. I would constantly get lost, but I would stumble to where I needed to be, and it would just kind of work out. That could probably be the title for my autobiography. Yeah, the fact, okay, at least Dread Delusion had a map and a compass. I mean, this has a compass, but like, without a map, it's a little useless to me. I wish you could draw your own map, like you could in Dread Delusion. That was actually really fun. Whoops. Get away, get away. Okay, this goes to the lower level. We're not ready yet. When I activated that one lever, I'm pretty sure that giant door was like right down there. But yeah, this game, not having a map, really cruel. Really, especially in the catacombs, it was a fucking nightmare. I didn't play this game for an entire week because the catacombs left such a bad taste in my mouth. Where is that angel? What the hell? I am so lost right now. Yeah, him too. Once you get to the mausoleum part, and if you stick around too long, he'll just come out and get you. Okay, what the actual fuck? Where am I going? What is going on? What is going on? What's... Oh my god. I am so fucking turned around and lost right now. It's like I was doing so good, and then I died 2 times, and now I have no idea where I'm going. And this is... I can't go down here yet, but you know... Majora Mask music? Okay, I need to slow down. I need to think about this. Okay. Like, I can't even find where I came from. I'm so confused. It's like a door disappeared on me. Does anyone else get that feeling? Like something that was here before isn't anymore? Oh, yeah. Just what I needed. If I wanted poison, I would just walk around downtown LA without a mask. Okay, what the actual fuck is happening? I'm just gonna go down here. Fuck it. Wait, no. This is where... Okay. Okay, I need to avoid that guy. I'm so lost. I was doing so well. I was doing so good. Oh, hi. I'm just gonna ignore you. I'm sorry. I don't feel like it. You can fight my sword. You can fight my pet sword. There you go. There you go. Oh, it's a dead end. Okay, sword. Please distract him. Please run distraction. I'm out of mana. Okay. That's awesome. That's great. I love this. I love when this happens to me. I'm just gonna run past this guy too. It's fine. I think I just made myself 10 times more lost. The Green Asylum? This prison has an asylum attached to it? That is so fun. Ooh, a book. What has it got to do with me? I have them all. They died. But no, no, no. Not while I'm here, with room aplenty. I don't know what the hell that could mean, but okay. Oh, okay. Are you fucking kidding? What the fuck? What the fuck? I was like, ooh, a lift. How convenient. Don't mind if I do. And then it just lifts me up into a bunch of sharp objects and kills me. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Alright. Alright. That's great. That's great. I'm gonna put my fairy here. Hang on. There we go. Fairy and ice sword. You would have dodged that? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. I bet. Stretches? Okay. Yeah, I do need to stretch. Yeah. Hang on. Hang on, I'll do a little stretchy. I'll do a little stretchy. Okay. Alright, I stretched. Thanks, Kuroi. Thank you. You get this feeling when walking around a certain country? I bet. I bet. Your gamer instinct sort of, okay. Okay, sure. Sure, yeah. Yeah, I believe you. I believe you, yeah. Okay. Okay, I died so many times already. Okay. Let's take account. I have the flight spell. Good morning, Ikalas. Good morning. I have the flight spell. I'm at the upper level, where we start off. Okay. Okay, we're getting out of here. Or at least catching up to where we were. Oh my god, these fucking dogs will not get... They're body blocking me too, by the way. They're fucking body blocking me. So I can't even run. Fuck you. Damn. Just waiting for your mango to ripen? Oh, that sounds so good. Gonna make mango lassie when you... Oh, hell yeah. You're gonna gift 10 subs when you're able to? That's really sweet. But you don't have to. And you guys need to obviously take care of yourselves first. That's really sweet. How am I? I was doing good. I was doing so good, and then I died twice, and now I'm kind of lost. Now I'm kind of lost. So I don't know what's happening. It was a terrible... I died twice, and it really threw me off, and then I got kind of turned around and lost. How are you doing? How are you doing? Alright, okay. Oh, okay, so... Bruh. I'm a little exacerbated right now, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little perturbed right now. Just a tiny bit. Just a tiny little bit. I'm also a little confused. Because I can't find that angel anymore. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Okay, okay. So... Oh, no, bad dog. Not engaging with you. Okay, okay, we're back up here. We're back up here. That was so weird. That was so weird. But it looks like we're back on track. I think. Please. Please be back on track. I wish this sword would, like, just go in for the kill as soon as I summon it. Okay. Okay, yeah, no, just... Alright. We're down to 1 potion. Oh, this is so harsh. I'm exhausted. I've been working a lot this weekend, survived another year around the sun, and I think I got sick. Aww. Oh, I'm sorry. Hope you feel better soon. When I get sick, I normally just... Frick. Oh my god, there's fucking... Oh my god, there's 3 of them. There's fucking 3 of them. Hang on. I need to summon my fairy. Petra, please help me. That's my last potion. I'm not fucking dying to these dogs again. Fuck you. Okay. Okay, thank you, Petra. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, those dogs are so annoying. They're so annoying. Okay, we got back to the hammer. I'm equipping it right now. I'm equipping it right now. I'm equipping it right now. Hang on. Hammer of Cruelty equipped. Okay. 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 And we're gonna heal. And... What? Oh, what? Ikelos, thank you for 10 gifted subs. What is that for? Oh, thank you. 10? 10? For me? Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for 10 gifted subs. Wow. And also the hype train. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mwah. 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 Thanks. Thanks a ton. I really appreciate you. You're very supportive. You missed me. I figured you've been working very, very hard lately. I figured you've been working quite a lot. Yeah. Thank you so much for 10 gift subs. Thank you. And I'm glad you got some time off to rest. And I'm sorry you're sick, but I hope you feel better soon. You need to slow down if you can, okay? You need to start not answering your phone when they need someone. That's what I stopped doing. I just ignore my phone. Like, I'm sleeping. Yeah, I'm sleeping. You're calling me right now? Guess what? I'm not streaming. I'm actually sleeping. Oh, you're at work right now? Oh my god. Right now. Wow. Well, take it easy, okay? You take it easy. When I get sick, I always make a tomato soup, and I make it as spicy as humanly possible. And That always helps me. Or I eat some pozole. Pozole helps too. It's very hard for me to get sick, but when I do, I'm completely out of commission. I'm also out of health potions. Okay, so if we come across an emergency, I'm gonna use one of my crystals. I have to. I absolutely have to. I'm also gonna have my fairy on hand. Okay, sword, fairy, staff, cruelty hammer. Okay, okay, we're good. We're good. We are good. This hammer does crazy amounts of damage. It's kind of criminal. Like, I want a crazy strong weapon. What the hell? And these dogs are unforgivingly strong. Not only do they body block you, they also slow you down, so you can't even run. Okay, this is where I was last time. There. Over the weekend, I took a physical endurance test at work and I was cold, and I think it was, with the dust may have gotten me sick. Aww. Yeah, I'll go to a full-on anime convention, and I will not be sick afterwards. Oh, that's the hype train. What emotes did you guys get? What emotes? Let me see, let me see. Huh, okay. I like the bear one. I like the bear emote that people get. I don't know if you guys got the bear one, but I like the bear one quite a bit. Quite a lot, actually. There we go. We should backtrack a little bit and save. We should definitely do that. But can we even get back to where we were? That's the question. That's the question. Hang on. I'm pretty sure we can, from here at least. Because the angel should be right over here, and we could take the ladder down and then save. Yeah. Yeah, where's the angel? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, okay, I think we're gonna be good. I think we're gonna be good. Yeah, yeah, we're so good. We're so good. We could probably level after all that. Squeak, 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 squeak. Hug redeem, mouse? You want a hug redeem? Okay, let me get my plushie. Hang on, hang on. That was a terrible squeak. That was a terrible squeak. That was awful. Come here, mouse. Come here, come here, come here. There you go. One more. One more. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna keep holding on to my plushie. That hug redeem also acts as a reminder to grab my plushie and just have it like right here as I play my game and hang out with you guys. Yeah. Thanks for the reminder. um okay. Okay, level 60. It was for Ikelos. Damn it. Do you have another 1,000 points? Um. Oh, whoa. Okay, I almost took fall damage. I did not need to take. Okay, so we've backtracked. We've got the hammer. You know what? Let's head back to the rest area and stock up on supplies. Hey, Demi. Hi. Hey, Asher. Welcome back. Yeah, I'm back. Hug redeem? Okay. Come here. Yeah. There you go. What was I gonna say? Damn, I lost my train of thought. I saw the hug redeem and I lost my train of thought. It'll come back to me. Hi, Cheryl. What overpriced potions do we have today? Wait, only 15 for... Oh, really? Oh my... That's the lowest I've seen it in such a long time. Give me all of them. Oh, they go... Okay. Now it's back to its regular high price. I guess it depends on... Why does it do that? I mean, I'm glad we got reasonably priced potions, at least. We got 2 emergency crystals. I should get a few more mana potions. 1 antidote. Yeah, thanks, Cheryl. Thanks. You have that effect? Yeah. Hey, Clive. Still kind of buggy to talk to you. Oh, there we go. Have you heard of the cursed knight, Suxarius? That is a dumb name for a knight, but no, I haven't. Do tell. They say, long ago, at the end of the first magic age, 2 kingdoms fought in endless war. Furious experimentation was done with magic, and eventually curses were created. Strong dark magic weaved in abhorrent layers, which corrupted and maimed its victims. And so, the once valiant knight, Suxarius, fought with complete devotion to his kingdom. But as the wars went on, he fell victim to many of these curses. Conflicting and disfiguring curses, which led to him becoming enormous and snake-like. He slaughtered thousands in his misshapen form, but kept a frail thread of lucidity. Until one battle, while fighting a great sorcerer, he was almost killed, and he finally renounced his leftover humanity. He defeated his foe along with both armies of the warring kingdoms. But as he approached the castle gates to his once beloved kingdom, an echo of devotion came back. And with his last lucidity, he flung himself into the void that would later become the Great Well. They say that even now he lives, at the threshold of the Great One, serving as its guardian. As years passed, many knights heard his tale and follow his teachings of absolute devotion while harboring cursed, misshapen bodies. At least, I think that's how it happened. My memory ain't that good. Wow. Thanks for the story. Thanks for the story, pal. Hey. Salutations, Outlander. You want to do some alchemy? Opal, yellow marrow, and lotus seed. Opal, yellow marrow, opal, yellow marrow. I don't have any. Oh, yeah, of course I don't have any lotus seeds. Why would I have any lotus seeds? Why? It's not like I need them. Oh, he already redeemed it. He already redeemed it. You're sweet, though. What else can I make? I know I can make these, at least. Snowflake obsidian, onyx, and regular obsidian. Okay. Obsidian. Onyx. Ah, dang it. I don't have snowflake obsidian. I can't make anything right now. Thanks anyway. Thanks. We can't level up any of our weapons just yet. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Oh, wait a minute, wait. Can we level our... Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Can we... No, we can't level our longsword just yet. 53 damage. Can we... It's tempting to use the hammer for a good minute because it's like 200, but I feel like let's just keep using it because that area, that prison is much harder than I thought it would be. But before we go back, let's go to the library. There. It's my favorite spot. It's my favorite area. It's the library. Let's get our pet snail ready to play with his friends. Whoops. There we go. Go play. Go play. Yeah, go. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Go on. Go. Oh, I. Go on. Go on. Go on. Come on. Come on. Play with your friends. Play with your friends. Yeah. Yeah. The library has such good music. Yeah, it does. Alright, while our pet snail is playing with his friends, let's talk to this guy. Hi. Hi, Daedalus. BRB rounds? Okay. Sounds good. Ignore our pet back there. He's just sleeping. He tires out really quickly. Yeah. He tires out so fast, it's not even funny. Anyway. I have finished reading the book you gave me. It spoke of fire and rage, of a kingdom smothered in flame. A young witch stood in the middle of an inferno, small embers flickering in her eyes. Here, take this ring. It is inscribed with the magic of this book. Please continue your search. I know more are out there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We got a ring. We got a little ring. Fireworm. 40 wait, aggressive. Aggressive, 42 damage. Summons a worm-like wall of fire in front of the caster. An advanced weaponized pyromancy created by Fire Witch Ashley in order to fend off large beasts. Okay, let's test it. Ooh, yeah, it kind of moves like a worm, I guess. The mana cost is not that bad, actually. Huh. Thanks, pal. Hello, Asher. Please continue your search. I know more are out there. This library was such a good find. I was honestly just goofing off, and I found it entirely by accident. Cass, please give the next hug I can give to Eichel. I will. Hi, O'Shane. Welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah, major vibes is what this library has. I always forget how to... Oh. Hang on. I always forget how to get back up. Is that thing taking no damage from the hammer? Ooh, okay. Okay. The only downside to this library is a couple of these things and a couple of chimeras. Those books aren't really a threat, so I don't really count them. Oh great, there's more of them. It's fine. This is easy XP anyway. And that prison's very strong, so... I don't mind find a little bit of grinding in the cool library. Sword. Ouch. Hey. Can you chill? Okay, there we go. Alright, yeah, okay. These mobs are much easier than those really annoying dogs. Hang on a sec. Wait. Wait, I'm a little turned around again. The dog's making you slow is the worst, yeah. And they body block you, too. Alright. Alright, let's find the lift up. I always forget where it is exactly. This is going up, but I don't think this is going up to where we want to go. There we go. Oh, wait. Yes! Okay. Found it. Found it. Found it. There we go. Vera! Vera, hi! Oh my god, hi! How are you? How are you doing? Oh, even Nightbot's glad you're here. How was your day? How are you? Let me... Hang on. There we go. Special shout out to Vera. Really great vibes. Really smart. Really funny. Really cool. Easily one of my favorite people on here. Easily. MySpace top 8. For sure. For sure. Burning the midnight oil on some stuff? Ooh. Down to the wire is always the same. I'm the same way. It kind of sucks. But I do good work when I procrastinate, apparently. Yeah, welcome in. Welcome in. We found a prison since the last time you were here. We found a vampire castle and then a prison. But I'm just taking a break to the library. I wanted my pet snail to play with his friends. But we should be getting back to that prison. Only 3 areas that I haven't discovered. The prison music doesn't really pop off as much as, like, the forest or the library. But it's fine, it's fine. Okay. Hopefully the new fire spell will be very good against these dogs. Hopefully. We can test it now, actually. Okay, fire spell doesn't really do much. That's fine. That's great. Wow, they hit really hard. They hit so hard. Let me just... There. Okay. And there's a mana drain? Oh my god, that's so fun. That is so fun. I'm just gonna wait for this mana drain to end. And then I'll use this crystal, then we'll, like, really continue in earnest. Also, there's gonna be a little ad break. Again, if you're not subbed, thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Resist the urge to buy a Chia Pet or a George Foreman grill, okay? I believe in you. Ads are the ultimate enemy. Yeah, such vibe killers, for real. Okay, so... we go here. We ignore that dog. We accidentally fall down here like an idiot. Check. Yep, I'm checking off all the boxes right now. The mice are friendly, so that's good at least. Then we jump. And there we go. I'm just gonna make sure I have my fairy on call. Fairy and sword, okay. Alright. So. We successfully backtracked. Got the mace. Pulled the lever. And now we can continue. No health potion. Yeah. Hi. Okay, Petra, please help. So annoying. These dogs are so annoying. Thanks, Petra. Thank you. I knew I could count on you. The best fairy ever. Okay. Is it just not gonna do anything? Yeah, Petra, I'm confused too. What's this thing's deal? Friend? It's actually a friend? Bestial communication? I never got that spell. Where do you get bestial communication? I got Wind Slicer, Dash, Snail Buddy. You're back, welcome back. Yeah, I never got bestial communication. Is that in the forest? It sounds like that would be in the forest. If you're giving me a reason to backtrack to the forest, that would be pretty nice. I wouldn't mind going back to the forest. I love this game, but I really don't like areas like this where it's like the catacombs and the prison. It's kind of dreary, kind of depressing. Just a little depressing. Oh man, I don't know. That was one of the first ones you got. I have to decipher it with moon runes to English thing? Huh. Huh. I'm gonna drink a mana potion. Sword. I'm gonna take it nice and slow, because those dogs can really mess me up. Press E on lots of walls. Yeah, I've been trying to be better about that. I've been trying to be a lot better about it. Sword. Just... Ooh, one hit. Feels good. Mana potion. I wish you could actually, like, see yourself drinking the potion, like in Dread Delusion. That was so cute. That was actually really cool. Something shiny's over here. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's just a mana potion. Alright. Alright. Not mistaken, you're literally just a hand in this game. Wow, thanks for the spoilers on ending. Wow. If I'm just a hand, explain this, huh? Explain this handsome guy right here. Wait, what was that just now? Wait. What was that? Wait. Wait. There it is again. Ooh. Let's go. That's it? A hidden room just for some holy water? Alright, come on. Give me a sec to heal. How would I be just a hand? That doesn't make any sense. Don't answer that. Don't answer that. Okay. Wow, hidden room for just a mana potion. Love it. Okay. If you're so human, use your other hand. That's not an option. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Okay. think we came from there. Let's check over here. Wow, that dog's annoying. It slows me down every time. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, mana potion. Right. There we go. Okay. Damn you. Damn you, get away from me. I'm not a dog person. Get away from me. Cats only. Sorry, any doggies in the audience. I'm sure you're great, but these particular dogs are not fun. Okay, we can go down here. I know you wouldn't bet. I'm sure your dogs are fine. Your dogs are really nice. I'm just talking about these dogs, that's all. Ooh, a book. Hang on, what's this? Snowflake obsidians? It's just what I needed. That is just what I wanted. I miss the wind and the rain, painful as it was. I miss the sky and the people, hurtful as they were. I will leave the only way I can, leaving this body behind. Wait. I know who this is. I know who this is. I didn't expect to see them here, but I know exactly who this is. I should heal. I should heal. Sorry it's gonna take me a minute to heal. I need to conserve potions, you understand. You understand. That was the alchemist, by the way, from the rest area. Clive, a few episodes ago, was telling us a story about someone who got thrown down here, and they wanted to leave, so they astro projected out of here. But then they decided they wanted to come back. But once they came back, they realized their body was dead. So they just remained here as like a ghost. I'm positive this is the alchemist from the rest area. I'm so positive. You got McDonald's? Nice. Nice. It's been a minute since I had McDonald's. I think the last time I had McDonald's, if I remember correctly, it was when they had the Hello Kitty Yu-Gi-Oh crossover, and I got the Happy Meal, and I got Hello Kitty dressed as Dark Magician. I'm looking at it right now. It's on my bookshelf. That's what I forgot to do. I was gonna take pictures of my bookshelf for you guys. Excuse me, and a little burp. Alright, I'm a tiny bit lost again. Chat, don't hate me. I'm a tiny bit lost again. I'm a tiny bit lost. I'm a little lost. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna be that guy who pretends he knows where he's going and refuses to ask for directions I'm not. That's not me. I'm very humble, and I will ask for directions if I have to. Except there's no one down here to ask. That's my conundrum. Damn it. Where am I? Alright, so we went around that way. We got those potions. Something tells me, you know what? You know what? Something tells me we need to go down. Yeah, you know, we got up here. We found the knight's mace. We pulled that lever. I'm pretty sure we need to go back down. I'm positive of it. So that's what we're gonna do. Wish I could talk to that guy. Yeah, once I figure out how to get back down, we're gonna go back down. Oy. Being directionally challenged was fun in Dread Delusion, but in this game it's like I'm like nah. Oh wait, no, that was the lame hidden place again, never mind. Alright, so we circled back that way. There's the doggy. And we're hopping. Okay, we can't go in there. We're hopping. There we go, okay. Okay, down the ladder. Over here. Fucking dog. If I have enough time to wind up the mace, I can just one-shot them. And that's good to know. Okay, we're jumping down. Okay, perfect. Jumping down. Going down here. Oh, sword, help me. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. I just need to be extra aware and give myself enough time to wind up that mace. Okay, so this is where we need to go. Arena entrance. Jump down. There's the coffins. Let's just kill this guy. Let's just kill him. Let's just get our sword and Petra. Gonna wind up my mace. He hits very hard. I'm gonna heal. Okay. It's rad, yeah. It hits very hard, but it's very rad, yeah. Thanks, Petra. Oh, I appreciate you. Petra, I know the Fae get a bad rap, but you're alright. In the Green Asylum. Okay. Let's skip the Asylum for now. What's over here? Forlorn Arena. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, these are the same banners as up there. So... yeah, this gate's broken. Open. Ooh, okay. It's a completely different area now. Is there like a separate save crystal in this area? There is! There is! Oh my god, okay. Level 64. Save. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, Vera, I need to... Okay, before I forget, I need to gift you a sub. Because I know, you're really into, like, the comic streams, like the comic hand cams, and I've had to sub only those VODs. So, give me a second. Let me... Hang on a sec. Hang on. Let me just... hang on. Oh, wait. Why is it cheaper on desktop as compared to mobile? That's so stupid. That is so stupid. There you go.
Oh my god, fuck yeah, you crazy bitch.
Wait,
are
no!
So fun.
Wait. I lost. I just gifted her a sub. I think we did that at the same time. Okay. I wonder if that gives you 2 months. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I guess we'll find out. Oh wait, I don't think mine went through, actually. Hang on. Did it? I don't know. I'll check later. Ikelos, thank you for the gift sub too. Vera, thank you. Mwah. Thanks. Thanks a ton. Vera getting spoiled? Yeah. Yeah. What has spooked you most in this game? I don't think anything in this game has actually spooked me. I've been frustrated, I've been annoyed, I've been in awe, right? I haven't really been spooked. I know people hate the catacombs because they're like... because people say the catacombs are like spooky and off-putting, but they're really not. They're just frustrating and stupid. That's it. That's... yeah. What about you guys? Yeah, I don't think anything has put me off in this game. You gotten jump scared a few times? Wait, did I get jump scared? I think I got jump scared once. I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking about something, and then I turned around, and I forget what it was, but yeah, I did get jump scared once. I got a little startled. Okay, I got refunded because Ikelas gifted right before me. That's funny. Can I shoot that? No. Can I shoot that? The knight mentioned an arena, so we're probably gonna run into him again. Wait. No problem. Sorry, you're good. You're so good. Oh, it's a barrier. Sealed. Why does this music make me feel like something's gonna attack me out of nowhere? Hi, Alvaro. Welcome in. Welcome in. The music do